Here's the last assembly video of this summer. Actually, it's the end of summer. Closing up the workshop here pretty soon as we're getting into the freezing temperatures. And this one is the simplest one, putting the parts into the HogLine case. I even left, just to show and tell, you got to pull the support material off. Needle nose pliers works really well, and it'll just crack off. Make sure you open up the hole where the light sensor is going to go. And then inside here where the microcontroller chip goes in, you'll see in your kit one of the has only one side of the headers on. Makes it really simple. That's the one for the HogLine. This one has more connections, and so that's going to be the one for the back line. So for the HogLine one, can't be any easier. You use the pins, the 3.3 volt, the D10, and the D9, and so we're going to put the 3.3 volt, the D10, and the D9 are right here in the middle of it. 3.3 is my white wire, and so that's going to go to the VCC, and ground, and then digital out goes to D9. So I'll put those in like that. And if you want to just double check, okay, black wire, is it going on to D9? Yep, black wire is going on D9. It's just going to pop right into the case then. Do you want to put the antenna on? Little pop on. It's not the easiest, but it's not the hardest. Sometimes I use the pliers, but that one went on just fine. If you want to take the little sticky tab off and put the antenna, there's a spot for it right on the side. But since we're just going to push it in here, and there's the controller in there, and the sensor in there. And then this little back hold down cover also has just a little bit of support material. And then just push the wires underneath the case. This little tab holds down the USB connection, and the front little tab holds the sensor right in place. So very easy, very fast to get this done. Here's my USB. Here's a power bank. What's wrong? Well, we don't see lights on this one because I haven't programmed this chip. I just put it together for this little demo. But you have a programmed chip. It's actually programmed for the D10 pin to be low, and then it's going to power up and it'll be just fine. I'm sure it'll work when you work with a chip that's been programmed. But that's the assembly of the HogLine case. Again, you might have to adjust this little potentiometer to make sure when you break the beam it goes on and off.